Short selling. You must have heard this name recently. Actually, a few days ago, after the reports published by Hindenburg, this name came into the headlines. Hindenburg has been accused of publishing this report to make money through short selling. This is because in January 2023, Hindenburg published a report by making serious allegations against Adani, and before publishing the report, they had short sold Adani shares. As soon as the report was released, there was a significant drop in Adani shares and the Hindenburg made more than $4 million in profit. Let us explain what short selling is and how money is made through short selling. Let me tell you that short selling is a process in which you can make a profit even when the shares fall. However, this profit is for a short time only. Short selling is a quite complicated trading strategy. Under this, a trader in the stock market first sells the shares at a high price and then buys them back at a lower price, and the difference between the two became the trader's profit. Let's not get confused. Now let's understand how short selling is done with a simple example. Let's assume that today the price of a company shares in the stock market is ₹1000 and you believe that the company shares are going to fall. In that situation, you can short sell. What you need to do is first borrow the shares at ₹1000 and sell them. Then, when the company's shares fall, buy them and return them to the broker. In this scenario, the more the share falls, the more profit you will make. However, one thing to note is that there is a limit time for a short selling, which we will tell you later. But let's understand how profit is made in short selling with an example. You borrowed 100 shares at ₹1000 from a broker and sold them. Meanwhile, if the share prices falls to ₹900, you will have to buy 100 shares at ₹900 and return them to the broker. During this period, you will make a profit of ₹100 per share, and on 100 shares, you will earn 10,000 rupees. In short selling, it is important to note that in the cash market, you can only do short selling in the intraday trading. In simple terms, if you want to short sell a company's shares, you must buy them before the market closes after selling them. If you don't do this, those shares will automatically close shortly before the market closes. However, one important thing to note here is that while the profit is limited, the loss can be unlimited. This is because the maximum a share price can fall is 0, but if you consider the price rising, it can increase indefinitely. For those who don't know about short selling, their first question is how can you sell a share without buying it? The question is valid. How can you sell something you don't even have? Actually, this facility is provided by brokers in trading. So whenever you short sell a share, that share is sold from your broker's account. By now, you must have understood from the technique of short selling how risky this trading style is. It is as harmful to the market as it is to the investors. In this, the broker lends the shares for a fixed period. If during that period, instead of falling, the share prices increases, the trader will have to buy the shares back at a higher rate and return them to the broker with interest, which can even make him a debtor. Therefore, short selling is usually done by experienced traders. Hindenburg is also a short seller firm. It keeps an eye on companies whose shares are unexpectedly rising very quickly. Hindenburg researches it for months, and if it finds any irregularities, it takes a short position and exposes those irregularities to the public. This causes the company's shares to crash, and companies like Hindenburg make money through short selling. So that's all for this video. Please do like, comment and share this video. Namaste. Jai Hind.
रितम मीडिया की नई ऐप आ गई है। जी हाँ, देश की उभरती हुई बहुभाषी मल्टीमीडिया रितम ऐप का नया वर्जन लॉन्च कर दिया है। इस नए अपडेट के साथ मिलेंगे आपको ढेर सारे मजेदार फीचर्स। जैसे ही आप ऐप खोलेंगे, आपको सबसे ताजी खबरों का सेक्शन लेटेस्ट न्यूज मिलेगा। इसमें आप देश दुनिया की हर खबर PIH और देख सकते हैं। साथ ही दिस डे इन हिस्ट्री में जानिए इतिहास की खास बातें। रितम मीडिया ने खास आपके लिए टीवी और वेब सीरीज सेक्शंस जोड़े हैं। अब देखिए अलग अलग न्यूज चैनल्स और मजेदार कहानियां। और हाँ, सिटीजन जर्नलिज्म को बढ़ावा देने के लिए वीडियो सेक्शन भी है। यहाँ आप अपने इलाके की बातें सब तक पहुँचा सकते हैं। खासकर महिलाओं और युवाओं के लिए भी अलग अलग टैब्स हैं, जो उनकी पसंद और जरूरतों को ध्यान में रखकर बनाए गए हैं। तो अब इंतजार कैसा? फटाफट गूगल प्ले स्टोर या iOS पर जाइए और रिदम ऐप डाउनलोड कीजिए। सबसे पहले पाइए अपडेटेड न्यूज।